Okra, Bhindi or the lady's finger is a vegetable that is very versatile and can be made into curries, chutneys, stir fry or stew. This stir fried okra recipe is mild and rightly flavored and lets the flavors of the okra shine on its own. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Let's get started. Wash and chop the okra into half-inch pieces. Also wash and finely chop 1 onion, 5 garlic pods and deseed 2 red chillies. Heat up a frying pan and add 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil has heated up, add in half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and allow it to crackle. Now add in half a teaspoon cumin seeds. One sprig of curry leaves, 2 deseeded red chillies and 5 garlic pods. Sauté this for a few seconds. Now add the finely chopped onions and sauté till they are translucent. Once the onions are translucent, add in the okra. Do not let the onions to brown. I have added the okra. Now we'll give it a good mix. I have added 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and combine everything well. Saute this on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Reduce the heat to low, add in a teaspoon of tamarind paste or you can add yogurt or lemon juice as well so that it would stop the slime formation. Now keep the flame on low and cook till the okra turns soft. This would take about 10 minutes. Stir in between for every 1 or 2 minutes so that the okra doesn't stick to the pan. It's been 10 minutes and the okra has cooked well. Now season this with salt and turn off the flame. I have used about slightly less than 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir everything well, plate up, serve and enjoy. This goes well with hot rice and rotis. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more future recipes.